Hey, good morning, rail fans. Saturday morning, I'm standing here at Pioneer Road, which would be closer to South Rugby Junction. What do I have for you today? So the Wisconsin Southern T004 was spotted in Iron Ridge with a military load. So I figured I'll come and catch it. So granted, I've caught the T004 with the military load quite a few times. The reason I'm out here today is that I saw a news article about 3 weeks ago suggesting that Oshkosh Truck lost their contract to produce the JLTV vehicles. And so I don't know that that's going to mean anything immediate as far as transporting those vehicles on the Wisconsin Southern. But you can pretty much bet that within maybe a year or so, you're not going to see JLTVs being transported on the T004. And quite frankly, since I've been catching the Wisconsin Southern T004, JLTVs are all I've seen. So hopefully there's some other vehicles that can be transported on Wisconsin Southern, or else they're going to lose quite a bit of business. Anyway, it's a pretty snowy morning. Hopefully this is a cool catch. Enjoy the military vehicle catch while you can. Rugby Junction, signing off. Have a good day.